XRP has far exceeded my previous predictions. Originally, I was expecting a move back down to the structure support, but instead we broke up outside of this ascending channel pattern. We're quickly approaching structure resistance right here at 53.71 cents, and the indicators are showing possible moves down, but we need to pay attention because if we get another short squeeze as we did right here, I think we could go much higher up. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I think XRP is going. And before I do that, I just want to let everyone know we have another 4% trade win on Uniswap, and this puts us at 22 wins, 0 losses, and there's a brand new trade set up for our members as well. So if you're a member, go ahead and take a look at that. If not, you're going to want to sign up at the links below. And as a bonus, members get access to our new crypto forecast video. This is going to talk a lot about the bullishness of Bitcoin right now, as well as giving you a sneak peek at a brand new indicator that we are coding that incorporates a visual display of the predictive probability of a move up or a move down in the next market. Don't miss out on that. If you want to get access to our trades and a sneak peek at our next indicator, go ahead and grab a membership at the links in the description below. And with that, let's check out the charts. Here we are at the tradeconfident.io website. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom here to check out the Ripple metrics, with the first metric being the Ripple Emotional Index. Now, right back here, we saw a move into fearful territory. This saw a crazy move up, which pushed us into excited. We saw a little bit of a drop that dropped us into neutral, and over the last couple of days, just over the weekend, we have skyrocketed back up with the metric moving into excited territory. Now, most often, this will result in moves back down in the market. However, as we saw right here, while there was a small move in the market, it still resulted in crazy moves up despite being excited. And this is what we call a bear trap or a short squeeze. Bears would be expecting a move down at that point, so a lot of short trades would come into the market, but whales come in and absolutely pump the market back up, absolutely liquidating these short trades and pushing the market up even further. Next up, we're going to be looking at the Ripple Volatility Breakout Detector, and something interesting to me is that we actually saw very low volatility despite these insane moves. I think this just goes to show the absolute crazy volatility that XRP has. Whenever we fall into low volatility like we did right here, this is most often where we're seeing crazy moves in the market, and personally, I'm expecting the next few bars to be much higher volatility coming soon. Next up, we're going to be looking at the Ripple Whale Smart Money metric. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to. Right now, whales are more likely to hit short trades. As the price moves up, whales are more likely to short trade, so this is no surprise. And as we approach negative 800, this is where we're really looking for moves back down in the market. And we may see a little bit of distribution up here, just as we did right here before our next move up. It's really difficult to tell, so we're going to have to take a look at the Ripple major support and resistance levels. Now we have strong structure resistance at 54.7 cents here. I think we could approach that. I don't think we're quite going to hit that. I think we have a little bit of structure resistance right here that we need to pay attention to. It's going to be a little bit lower and easier to hit. So that will be my target, but I will show you that when we get to the live charts. Moving on now to the Ripple long versus short trades chart. Long trades are still very much above short trades right here. And this tells me we're going to be actually bullish in the long term. Even if we do see dips in the short term back down, this will likely result in long-term moves up. Last but not least is the Ripple Daily Trade Scanner. We got a buy signal at the very bottom right here and back here actually, all of which resulted in crazy moves up. Not very surprising at all. And personally, I'm going to be looking for a sell signal. As soon as we see a sell signal as we move back up, this is where I'm going to be looking for the next move down. So as soon as we see that sell signal, that could be a good exit point for XRP. Now, if you want to get access to XRP metrics, if you want to get access to those future forecasts, that sneak peek at the new indicator, trade setups, and many more features, you can grab a membership at the links below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Click that, and it'll bring you to our home page. Just go up to subscribe, fill out your information, and if you want to trade XRP, you're going to need to grab the full access for $59 a month, because this gives you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics. With the full access, you also get those scalping trade calls, future forecast, and many other benefits. Click choose, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. And with that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at XRP USD on the 1-day time frame. We are very quickly approaching that 53.7 cent structure resistance that we were talking about. I did put this a little bit lower than we saw on the metrics charts. I just think this resistance is a little bit stronger right here. This is where we saw the distribution. If it's a move up, it's a distribution. If it moves down, it's actually consolidation. So distribution right here happened as we tested this descending structure resistance, and we ended up breaking out like crazy. At this point, price versus while money flow is the highest it's been in a very long time. Trend exhaustion actually topped out right about here, which is part of why we expected a move down. Now we got a little bit of a move down, which brought the trend exhaustion back into the middle of its chart, but this insane move back up has brought trend exhaustion to its top red area again. So as we test this right here, the structure resistance, I think we could see distribution again. And we honestly saw this on Bitcoin. Let me go over to Bitcoin real quick. Here's an example right here. We saw distribution right here before a short squeeze. We got a sell signal right here, distribution, and then it pushed up. Sell signals, distribution, and then it pushed up again. This does happen, and in order to exit the bear market, unfortunately, bearish signals will need to be invalidated. So right here, as we approach the structure resistance, traders should be hesitant. It's honestly going to be a really tough call whether or not we're going to drop or if we're going to absolutely skyrocket back to the upside. I think as long as whale money continues moving into the market, we're going to continue seeing moves up. However, as soon as whale money begins dropping, I think XRP is going to crash really, really hard. It's going to be a really rough landing for XRP for sure. So as soon as we see trend exhaustion high, as soon as we see price versus whale money flow high, which it already is, and as soon as we see it drop, and if we get a sell signal right on this candle, this is where I'm expecting. These are extremely bearish signs. I'm expecting a move back down in XRP. The only question is where we're likely to go next. For me, the next structure support below us right about here is where we're likely to head down. This will sit at about 47.62 cents. And from the current price, this is likely to be a drop of about 9%. However, if we test the structure resistance and whale money just continues pushing into the market, I think we will break up, possibly to retest its absolute top of the bear market right here at 58.56 cents. This would actually be a positive percentage move of about 12% right here. This would be insane. So either a 12% move up or about a 9% move down here is what I'm expecting. As this moves through the market, it's going to be absolutely crucial to pay attention, especially to the price versus whale money flow here. You're going to want to pay attention to this. So if you want to get access to these indicators, you can grab them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you straight to the store page. You're just going to want to click I want this right here, fill in your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, $349 instead of the regular $749. Click add to cart. You'll get your full $400 off. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay and you are good to go. Once they are loaded on your chart, pay attention for price versus whale money flow to drop. If we see it drop, we're likely going to see the price head back down. However, if it continues rising up, a breakout through this up to 58.56 cents is more likely. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.